you can see debris. I don't know, I can't zoom in, but you
I wish I
look,
could zoom in.
look, you see.
Right there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, time to go in. Gotta go.
Gotta go inside now. Yeah, we're going!
You guys go inside?
Gosh, it's right there on 19th Street. Gosh, it is right. It literally is right there. You can see debris. If you look right between the trees, you can see debris. Yeah, they're gonna tell us to get inside. They're gonna be like, "You guys gotta get inside now." I'd be like, "We got better things to do right now." Yeah, they're gonna tell us to get inside. Here they come right now. Gosh, that thing is huge. That thing is, oh my god. You can, do you hear it? Oh my god, this is like one of the scariest moments, like, I've never heard anything. Oh, you can see debris. You see that? Hashtag college props, man, you know. Oh my gosh, this.
Our house is right on the other side of the street right there.
Gosh. The sound of it just is scary. That's not thunder, that's freaking, that's debris. Oh. Oh my god. I know, it's everywhere. It is coming, there's a helicopter. That's not a helicopter, that's a piece of debris.
No, it's a helicopter.
No, it's not. Gosh, that thing is huge. Dude, look at that huge piece. That's a piece of a house. Oh, there's debris.